Hello my great people. This is your number one gossip captain +254. We are here siku ya leo, tuko hapa. We are excited to have our one and only. Tuko na mtu ambaye ni nguvu sana hapa, and I would like not to take much. Ningependa akaweza kujiintroduce, atuambie yeye ni nani. How are you bro?
I'm good, how are you?
Fine too. Karibu sana. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
My name is Regan.
Yes, Regan.
Regan Ayodi. I'm a gospel musician. I'm also a music producer and a music director, a voice coach.
Yes.
And I'm a multi-talented person. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, umeweza kusikia introduction yake. We have Sir Regan today with you. So if it's your first time to be in this channel, consider hitting the subscription button before we start for you to get updated and notified when we upload a new video. So we are here with a topic yenye imekuwa ikizunguka. Tunajua ya kwamba that people have just been talking of wasanii hapa na pale, and latestly tumeweza kuona mtu ambaye anaitwa he used to refer himself as the chairman of the gospel, ambaye tunamjua anaitwa Ringtone Apoko. Na sasa ameweza withdraw from gospel. Amesema ya kwamba msimamo wake ataanza kuimba nyimbo za mapenzi. So I want us to honor the views with the closest person hapa, akaweza kutuambia okay, vile maoni yake kuhusu hiyo na vile gospel iko. So welcome on this show bro. Karibu sana.
Thanks.
Yeah, so karibu sana hapa. We would like to know according to the way things have been, vile maneno imeweza kuwa hapa pale. You said that you are a producer. Wewe umekuwa pale kwa industry kwa muda ambao ni mrefu, uko na that experience. Whatever that is happening currently, tumeona ya kwamba that Ringtone Apoko ameweza kusema withdraw kutoka kwa gospel. What is your view towards that? Unaonelea namna gani?
First of all, Ringtone, I've never considered Ringtone as a serious gospel artist. That guy is not, I don't think he really is a gospel, he's born again, because whatever things that he has been doing, they are not in line with the gospel industry. So, whenever somebody tells you that Ringtone has dropped from gospel and has gone to secular, it's just a continuity. It's not something that it's surprising. It's not surprising. Ringtone, first of all, he has been living a fake life. He's a fake guy.
Okay.
He's somebody who is just fake all around. He's been lying to people how he achieved here and there when he's faking everything. And that is a character of a person who is not a gospel musician. He has gone to the right position where he belongs. But in gospel, we don't fake.
Okay.
In gospel, we don't lie to people and live a lying life. In gospel, we believe in God because it's a ministry.
Yeah.
But for Ringtone, it's not a ministry. It's a business. So when I heard that Ringtone has shifted to gospel, that is not even supposed to be news. It's not supposed to be news. That's just a common thing.
Okay.
He has gone to where he belongs.
Okay, ni mzuri sana. We've gotten heard from you, but saying that Ringtones, there is something that you just said. Kuna kitu ambayo umesema that Ringtones lives a life in a fake life. What do you mean by saying that? Unamaanisha namna gani? Have you ever been into umekuwa closer na yeye kabisa, because you've been tunakujua sana, and maybe have you encountered him, or what do you mean by saying that amekuwa akiishi maisha ambayo ni fake life?
I knew Ringtone some time ago, kama bado hata hajatengeneza jina. And not only Ringtone lives a fake life. Let me tell you, many of these musicians, they fake things. They fake, maybe for them to get something, like maybe they want popularity, but most of them they are fake. They are very fake. I can mention them one by one. They live a fake life, wanaishi maisha ya kukopa madeni, kuhaya magari kwa kabaza, kujidanganya ati wanapiga nayo picha. Wengine wanaenda wanatengeneza posters, wanaweka sijui nini. All those are fake things so that they can gain popularity, and maybe they can get what they want. But in gospel music, we don't do such.
Okay.
The gospel industry is you come in, you minister, you serve. You are not there to live like fake or all that and that. So about going back to Ringtone, we know, and even we know there are so many artists we know. Hata kuna wenye wamejicommit suicide because of madeni. Wengine wameenda wakauza mpaka vitu kwa sababu ya madeni, because they are faking everything around them.
Yeah.
So Ringtone was also one of them.
Oh.
I am not afraid to say that.
Okay.
He's a fake, very fake.
Okay. Ni maoni yake, Mr. Regan here. We are telling you that if uko na any kind of comment, consider kuweka pale chini, and tukiendelea hapa, I would like to remind you and tell you that there are two things that you're supposed to know. Kuna mambo mawili ambayo unafaa kujua, ya kwamba kitu cha kwanza ni kuwa ya kwamba that for you to keep on moving, lazima ukuwe na kitu ambayo tunaita focus pale. Now there is something that have happened. We've seen that Guardian Angel have reacted. Ameweza kureact pale na akasema ya kwamba that Ringtone ameondoka, we are going to remain, sisi tuko pale, ila wakati tumekuwa tukimhoja amekuwa hapo, anasema ya kwamba mimi I will remain hapo. What do you think that kulingana na muziki ama Guardian Angel, kwa sababu ni kama ni ameweza kubaki pale, what do you think towards that? Unaweza kuona ya kwamba ile maneno walikuwa nasema kama pia hata yeye anaweza kuvutwa na akaweza kuingia katika nyimbo za kidunia?
Gospel is a calling. It's a calling from God.
Yeah.
And secular music, it's a talent which you can also make money from it. Even Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel is also my friend, but I'll not be surprised one day to hear that Guardian Angel has shifted to secular. It's not a surprise. It's not a big deal. They can say, we are here, but in real sense, anyway, whenever somebody, this is what I want you to know, whenever somebody drops, God raises another. Some people are just abandoning this thing. Even in your own life, some people are abandoning. Unless they drop so that God can lift you. There are so many gospel artists out there who wants to be lifted, but they have not been able to be lifted because of these fake people who are taking their positions. So when they drop down, we get new people. God will raise a new generation, and that is what we are all about. So as you go to hell, others are going to heaven. That is what we know. So even if they go, even Guardian Angel, even those of whatever, that is the life they chose. And there's nothing, by the way, let me clarify this. There's nothing wrong with secular. You know, Guardian Angel, Ringtone feels that whenever he tells us that he has gone to secular, that now we are going to be so surprised. There's nothing wrong with doing secular. Secular is the common life of a human being. When you sing a song about love, is there any problem about it? There's no problem. Even as a Christian, I can sing a song about love. When you sing a song about sex, who doesn't do sex? Everybody does sex. So there's no big deal about that. So you will not be surprised as that, hey, when we report and Kushangaza. He's not surprised as he has gone, and Bahati is there with the Diana, and they are doing so good. And we know one thing that I'm going to also advise my fellow Christians. Let us not condemn these people. Let us not be full of condemnation. Let us just, thank God that they have realized what they are. Okay. That is what I wonder. They have really realized themselves. We should not condemn them. But at the end of the day, it's God, the only person who can judge. Okay. Yeah, but if they want to shift even all of them, let them shift. Okay. Yes.
Nice to hear that. But there is one thing that I really want you to maybe ukaweza clarify. We've been hearing these people wanasema ya kwamba that the other day Bahati said that gospel is full of shit. Akashift Willie Paul na yeye akienda namna hiyo, and the way you say that these people the time that you can see from gospel, the time that they waliingia the other side, you can really see the transformation and change. Maybe what is that one thing that is making these people to shift from this side to the other side? Wanasema ama wanashingizia ni pesa. According to you, unaweza onelea ni kitu ambayo gani inatuma sana waende pande ile? Ni pesa ama ni kwa sababu maarufu wako nao, ama what is that thing?
What transformation have they? What transformation are we talking about? Because in real life, spirituality, the things of the spirit are much of original than the things of the physical. That is about life. Spirituality is more original than the physical. So when somebody thinks that they have been transformed physically, then their spiritual is dead. And they are living fake. That's what I'm telling you. Everything about them is fake because their spiritual life is dead. And their physical life is doing well. The physical life is temporary, but the spiritual life is forever.
Wow.
But you see, whenever somebody wants to go, they always have to find a reason. There's a saying that Swahili says that they always find a reason to say, oh, I'm going because of Christians are like this and like that. If you are given an opportunity or a chance in the Christian industry, and you see there is a problem here, there's a problem there, and you have that influence like those of Bahati, they have influence, why can't they change? Why can't you come in like Pastor T came and he's transforming Christianity? People start believing God in a different way. Tell us, what do you want us to change on? If you think we are condemning too much, why can't you tell us how we are going to handle you? Don't go run away from the problem. As a true Christian, you shouldn't run away from the problem. But those people are running away from the problem because they are fake Christians. They are not true Christians.
Wow. Hey, nice getting from you. And maybe the last message that you could send to the people who, when you are pale, gospel artists, maybe someone they are coming when you wanakuja hapo, maybe something that you would like to say waweze kuambia neno la mwisho, and ingekuwa ni mzuri sana. The last one maybe that you could give to them.
One thing that I would like to tell them, those who are in the gospel industry, if you feel you want to go, please go. Go right now. Shift to the other side. No problem. Shift right now. Let us see who you are. Don't hide in gospel or watch an No. If you want to go, go right now. And those who are there in the gospel right now, please do it with all your heart, with all your mind, and with all your soul. Because God is a God who does not change. He doesn't change. He is still the same God of Abraham. He's the same God of today. He's the same God who does all these things and who did that and that and that. So when someone feels that they want to shift, let them go, keep going. We are okay. We are okay here. Wenye tumeamua kusimama tutasimama. Wale wenye wanataka kuenda waende. God is raising a new generation. And let me tell you what, you are going to be surprised.
Okay, so thank you so much Saligan. Tumeweza kushukuru sana because of joining us, and tukimalizia hapa ni vizuri tungependa ukaweza maybe kupeana namba yako ya simu. You've been doing production, I've really known you for quite a long period of time. Hata mimi kuna wakati nilikuwa na experience mahali and all this. Unaweza peana namba yako ya simu ili watu wakaweza kukufikia for the production na vitu kama hiyo.
Okay, as I said in the beginning, I'm a music producer and a music director. Maybe you have a choir, you want to train, you have the voice training in your praise and worship, and you want some people to improve in their voices. You are a musician, you want to sing, but you always see that maybe your voice is not doing so well, and you want to change, and maybe you want to improve on it. I'm the right person to call. Call me on 0700 60 41 50. My telephone number is 0700 60 41 50. Call me and tell me where you are. I'll invite you to my studio, or I can still come to where you are. Wherever you are in the country or even outside the world, we can still come together and do marvelous.
Wow.
Yes.
So thank you so much Saligan. Na mimi ningependa kukuambia kwamba mtazamaji, kama vile unaona our great viewers ukiwa pale, kama uko na wimbo ambayo iko hapo, I've never seen a humble guy kama huyu, this producer. I've known him for quite a long period of time, but for the way I've known him na umaarufu wake, is a very humble kabisa to ground. I would like to tell you hapo kwa screen hapo chini, you can see that number, weza kumfikia. And thank you guys for your support. Thank you so much. Let's meet on the next video. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.